Hi guys, before we jump in, I just want to mention that this particular product, the price does change on it often. So be sure and check out the link down below in the description and see what kind of price you can get for it. All right, let's jump in. Guys, this is the Weem supplement right here, and if you haven't ever heard of this right here, you might recognize this kind of cool design on the bottle here, but I wanted to show you this is the bottle of these little gummies right here. If we flip it over, you can kind of take a look at some of those gummies. They are little bunny shaped, which is really cute, but I really like the fact that you get so many here in this bottle. Now, this bottle offers 60 gummies here in it, which is really cool, and if you guys are looking for a good supplement like this, I would highly recommend just taking a look at this one. This is the Weem brand supplement. Now, make sure and check out the link down below in the description to get your hands on this product. Thanks so much for watching and have a great day.